Hello everyone, welcome back to Chemical Engineering and Aspen channel. In our today's video, we will do a simulation activity, and the simulation activity is related to the simulation of turbine using Aspen Plus. Now, have you ever understood what if the pressure you usually waste in an industry could buy you electricity? Or what if I say that what if we can turn a gas pressure drop into kilowatts? What if we can stop wasting the pressure and we can use an equipment which could turn this pressure drop in terms of electricity. So the equipment that will handle it is the turbine, or we can call it also as turboexpander. Now this equipment is very much important once we talk about the topic of fluid mechanics, and today we will be simulating it. So let's start our video. But before starting it, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon to get all updates related to this channel. So the activity is first thing we need to understand the objectives of the activity, that we should know or we want to know how to decrease the pressure of the vapor or gas stream using Aspen Plus, and to recognize the way of using the turbine using Aspen Plus. So the problem statement is that the natural gas which is used in Pakistan to meet the electricity requirement of both domestic and industrial sectors, to produce power or to use the power from this natural gas turbine is mostly used. Natural gas, the composition of which we have just taken the simplified composition, 98 mole percent methane, 1 mole percent ethane, and 1 mole percent propane is fed to the turbine at 25 degrees centigrade and 10 bar at a mass flow rate of 1000 kg per hour. So this is the pressure of the inlet stream to the turbine. The outlet pressure of the gas from the turbine is 3 bar. So there is a delta P of 7 bar. We can install a valve, throttle valve, and we can do the pressure drop. But what if we install a turbine or a turbo expander to extract power using this pressure drop? So perform the simulation to compute the power which is produced from the turbine, and we will use an efficiency of turbine as 75%. But before starting it, we need to know that we have to specify one variable to make degree of freedom as 0 in turbine. What could be this variable? Discharge pressure, pressure decrease, pressure ratio, but please note that efficiency is not included in degree of freedom. It is a by default part in Aspen Plus. By default, 72% efficiency is defined. If your efficiency is different, like in our case, we have to specify 75%, then it becomes one of the variables. But for degree of freedom calculations, we will always rely on the pressure ratio, pressure degrees, discharge pressure, or we will once go to the Aspen Plus, we will see some other parameters as well. So let's now quickly go to the Aspen Plus and solve this example. So this is the simulation window. First is the properties environment. So we will specify our component over here. The components are methane, ethane, and propane. There are three components. We have already specified their mole fraction of 0.98, 0.01, and zero point zero 0.01 in the problem statement, and now we will specify it in the Aspen. Going to the next, we will select the Peng-Robinson, as have been informed multiple times in the previous videos that for hydrocarbon system, Peng-Robinson is most favorable or suitable. Again, clicking on next, click on this run button, and once results are available, we will now go to the simulation environment. So now coming to the simulation environment in pressure changers, this is the turbine system which we will be using, and the same module or the same overall block will be used for turbine. So this is icon 3 for turbine. This is for compressor. So we will use the turbine model. We will place it over here, and then we will do the connections of inlet, which is feed, specified as S1, and product as S2. You can specify the nomenclature as per your own desire or need, but we are just using the simplification. Now we will specify the feed over here, and that is 25 degrees centigrade, 10 bar. The mass flow rate is 1000 kg per hour, and the mole fraction which we will select from here for methane is 0.98, for ethane it is 0.01, and for propane it is 0.01, and the total mole fraction is 1. Now we have specified the material stream, and now we will go to this turbine module. Model and type, as I have told you that there is overall a same block for simulating the compressor and turbine. So we have to just change the model type to turbine. In type, we will select isentropic. By default, the isentropic is used. Now there are different parameters among which we have to specify one of them. So either it could be discharge pressure, pressure decrease, pressure ratio, power produced, or if there is any performance curve associated with the turbine. So now the discharge pressure is 3 bar, or if you want to specify the pressure decrease, then it could be 7 bar, because you have to decrease the pressure from 10 bar to 3 bar, or if it could be the pressure ratio, or if you want to specify the pressure ratio, or if you have information about the power produced. Now you can see the run button is now active, which confirms the statement I have provided earlier, that to make degree of freedom as 0 in turbine, you have to specify one variable. But we have been given that the isentropic efficiency of the turbine is 75%, so we will specify 0.75. The mechanical efficiency is by default 100% for the turbine compressor modules. Now, once we have specified all of these, we will click on this run button, and the results are available. We can go here to the results of this block, and we will see that 32.1383 kilowatt of electricity energy is produced using the pressure. So as I have said, that we can transform pressure drop in terms of the electricity generation, and the efficiency of this turbine is 0.75. The outlet temperature from this turbine is minus 32.1518, while the isentropic calculated temperature at the outlet is minus 50.368. Going to the stream results, as you can see, the vapor phase inlet, the vapor phase outlet, because obviously turbine is just the opposite of compressor. So at the inlet, at the outlet, both sides will be vapor. From 10 to 3 bar, rest of the flow rates, compositions won't change, but however, the physical properties, as you can see, enthalpy will change, enthalpy, entropy, density, these values will definitely change in the system. This is the overall representation of simulating the turbine using Aspen Plus. I hope you have understood all the aspects of this lecture. If you have any queries, feedback, suggestion, please provide it in the comment box and I would be happy to answer it. So that's it from today's lecture. Thank you so much. Please do watch, like, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Also click on the bell icon to get all updates related to this channel. Till then, it's goodbye. Stay tuned for more exciting videos on this channel.